The price and specifications of the iPhone SE2 are declassified. A smartphone will not be expensive. Authoritative analyst Ming-Chi Kuo revealed the latest information on the iPhone SE2 smartphone, which will be released in early 2020. According to experts, the smartphone will be priced from $399, will receive a system on the flagship A13 Bionic, 3GB of RAM and other features. Price and specs for iPhone SE2. iPhone SE2 will have a case with a design similar to that of the iPhone 8, the specialist said. The smartphone will receive a 4.7-inch display without 3D touch support, a system based on the modern A13 Bionic processor and 3GB of RAM. This means that the inexpensive new Apple will have the same processor as the recently released iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro, but 1GB of RAM less. iPhone SE2 will come in two configurations, with 64 and 128GB of internal memory. The smartphone will be released in three colors: space gray, silver and red. According to Kuo, the price of the iPhone SE2 will start at $399 for the base model with 64GB of internal memory. In Europe, the smartphone will be priced from $550. The model will become the most affordable in the line of Apple smartphones. The presentation of the iPhone SE2 will take place in the first quarter of 2020. It is expected that the smartphone will be presented in March.